How to sell items in Lazada, Philippines. Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to sell items in Lazada, Philippines. First, open the Lazada wallet app and log in to your account. Tap on the account tab and scroll down. Select the Sell on the Lazada option at the bottom. You'll be directed to the Seller Center. Tap on Language in the top right corner and choose yours. Scroll down and you will find the simple steps to start selling. Tap on the Create Seller Account button. Enter your phone number and the 6-digit code to verify. After this, you will be able to sell on Lazada. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.